breathe slow and kind. Leave the rush and noise behind. Open hearts where peace will stay. Life begins in a softer way. Clouds drift by in a painted sky. Dreams unfold as the hours fly. Gentle streams hum their sweet refrain, washing away every ounce of pain. Feel the world breathe slow and kind. Leave the rush and noise behind. Open hearts where peace will stay. Life begins in a softer way. The earth it turns yet seems so still. In every shadow there's a thrill. Find your calm in the rustling leaves, a secret rhythm no one believes. Evening falls like a velvet sheet. Stars awaken where night and day meet. Close your eyes, let your spirit roam. In the quiet you'll find your home. The trees hum low with morning light. A gentle breeze takes its quiet flight. The earth hums soft beneath my feet, a melody of life, serene and sweet. The river speaks in whispers clear, a language only the heart can hear. The leaves they dance, a sea